The 4 ways to exfoliate: physical, chemical, enzymatic, and annoying. I realized now that I started to edit this video yesterday evening that this is an epic vlogger fail, because I didn't give you a proper before shot. I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and this could have been such a great DIY, working on the house, hard work, renovation projects, vlog series, but hey, maybe I'll turn into one. But today's unboxing is kind of a different one. No beauty stuff, but this one is for sanding and polishing. I need it for sanding. This is by Bosch, the Pix 400 AE, and of course sanding paper, various types. And then this one by Fein, which is apparently the thing to buy. And this is a multi-tool, so you can use it to polish or sand edges, and this is a saw. I mainly need these. And this is what I need it for. This is the original color, and these are the stairs that lead up to our living part. And as you can see, it's kind of removed quite a bit with a rented one, but because we have so much stuff that we need to sand down and oil, we figured we'd buy a new one. So this is going to be my project for, I don't know, the next weeks. And if you know me, you know that I hate anything that has to do with DIY and sanding down stuff and all that. But I guess that's the price you pay when you buy a really old house, because we of course can't afford to have someone come and do everything, so we need to do quite a bit on our own. We made really good progress today, but still so much work. I took the opportunity to ask the previous owners, which, in case you didn't know, are my parents and still live here, what on earth made them paint this stair A in brown and B with this color that just does not leave. And they told me that they already purchased the home that way, which means that the color was applied at probably 1950, something like that, and it's an oil-based color, which explains why it ruins every sanding paper within minutes. Good thing I ordered a big stack of sanding paper. These are, I think, 80, so they should last me a while. But hey, we started, can't leave it that way, we're going to see it through. And I'm dirty, I'm sweaty, and I'm in desperate need of a hot shower and a manicure. So I'm going to end this here and going to go do my nails, which look horrible. And yeah, please tell me in the comments below if you enjoy stories like that, or if you're like, hey woman, that's your home, we don't care. Talk about lipstick, not about sanding paper. See you.